it's on. Tú, pues, prestaste la puta.
Del guión. Alright guys, vámonos. We're heading to Alpha Suspension because he is going to pick up his new project. So vamos a ver qué es. Fucking sun, bro. It's crazy. Vámonos.
Why you took out the fuel pump?
But Saul. Oh,
Clean
hey,
shop,
what's up?
you already know.
But Saul
Mandan,
said
mandan.
that because it doesn't have placas.
So?
So that
Brownie doesn't have placas.
yeah, no, dude, it doesn't have the actual tag.
You tow it, no hay problema.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna tow it.
But like drive it,
No,
but
see,
tow
you,
it.
you got it backwards. You brought me sugar free?
Yes, nigga, you on a
You're trying
diet.
to say that I'm fat or what?
Yes.
Ew. On my foot. Oh yeah, he's in the toilet, bro. Just knock on me.
They on the door, tell them nice.
Señor Cagón. ¿Es usted?
¿Cómo estamos?
No contestó. Ya córtale.
Dude, you spent $600 on that crap, bro?
I didn't. One of my
that?
other friends decided to help me. Get
Oh,
the
the.
payments.
Dude, $600 for that crap, bro. She hasn't even started school yet. You haven't even started school
It
yet.
doesn't matter.
You haven't even started school yet.
You need it already?
No, she doesn't need it. She needs a normal one. She could have gotten it at Walmart for 20
I
bucks.
have the normal one, and you can't just get any stethoscope for school, bro, because you can't hear off of it.
Oh shit, ¿qué le pasó?
Se quemó el handle adentro. Pero ya te quedan bien.
Oh, va por madre, güey. Mamalón. This is the part of the handle, right?
Sí, aquí está.
Oh, you have to get the whole handle?
Yeah, there's no replacing just the handle.
Nah, yeah, it's the whole thing.
But they said that at Northern Tools for like I think 146 bucks.
Just get it at Harbor Freight.
It's not Harbor Freight.
But no,
The gun?
the thing should be the same, dude. These are basically the same. The thing is like 30 bucks, 40 bucks.
Pero lo vas a hacer caro.
Honestly, dude, Harbor Freight has stepped up the game a lot.
Should have been here earlier, bro. We got on the forklift on the pallet and put that sign up.
Which one?
Fucking.
Where do y'all have a forklift?
No, it's part of the store.
Oh, this guy over here? I was like, oh shit, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude, that makes a hella difference.
Recording the entire time, bro. Me dejan cagar a gusto la verga, güey.
Es que ya se acabó el día,
Me
güey.
acabo de sentar, nomás escuché.
Dijo, oye, ¿tienen fuga de drenaje o qué? Porque acá está, güey.
Pero ves, estos sí son amigos, o sea, ¿sabes cuál me gusta más?
No, pero Amber ya me regañó porque traje sugar free.
¿Por qué?
He brought me a sugar free one.
Ah, esa
Hello?
le gusta a los diabéticos, güey.
No, déjalo agua, ahorita lo hago, déjalo.
I'm excited, bro.
Which one are you gonna drive? You have told before like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, have you?
Yeah.
Okay, he's like,
When I stick on my hand, just know to break.
No, we're gonna go on the phone.
Did you hear the way he said yeah? Normally when he says yeah, he has like confidence. He was like, yeah.
Yeah. You're holding one back.
My anxiety.
Anda bien chiflado
I've
porque...
been waiting, I think like 2 weeks, bro. On and off to the day is finally here.
We haven't told anybody of the video yet. They're probably gonna see it later on, pero ahorita I haven't said anything. We just told that we're gonna go pick up one of your new projects, so.
Yeah, I haven't said anything either. I don't think I'm gonna say anything yet, at least not in this video. I'll probably post some like sneak peeks or something, but
Yeah.
as far as saying what we're gonna do or what the fuck we're actually gonna do with this project, I don't know about that.
Pero anda bien chiflado. Ahí como lo ven, he's holding it in.
Ya me andaba repitiendo y like, I think this whole week, right, puta, andaba con el pinche ese. Toda la semana I was like, entre sí y no, chingado. Y luego me hablaba y no, se volvió una pinche cosa. Y luego me quedaba esperando de que verga, no me hablaron ahora. So ya al chile me estaba agüitando, güey. But the day is finally here.
La llorada que se aventó anoche, eso no cuenta.
No, I'm excited, dude.
It's gonna be good, dude. It's a good, it looks good, you know? So I think whatever you do to it, it's gonna it's gonna stand up.
I mean, we already have a big advantage of how it is. That's a big
Oh, yeah.
fucking plus.
You're already 50% in no matter what.
Yeah.
Pero yo digo que I have an idea, and I was gonna tell you later on. Pero I'll tell you off camera porque va a ser es para que no sepan qué rollo. Pero I have an idea. So ahorita vamos a leer. Where are we going though?
To McAllen.
McAllen.
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna go to McAllen and then pick up what we gotta pick up, and then
Ya digo.
hopefully next time you don't see this video, maybe y'all know what the fuck we got.
Oye. Bueno, ahorita vamos allá para McAllen. Damn, güey, siempre me voy bien gordo, güey, así era.
¿Qué te rasuraste, güey?
¿Verdad?
I
Se me
saw
ve
it
la
this
pinche,
morning.
la double chin. Fuck. Bueno, ahorita vamos a ir a McAllen, vámonos.
Avocado and cheese. Yeah, and that one.
For the sauces?
Everybody can recognize her with all that equipment on.
I was like, who are you talking to? And I turned right, and I was like, wait, she looks familiar. Never gonna be sugar mama status. Shut down the shop.
Every time Saul, well, it's because I told him, I was like, why don't you be like Freddie? Like after I work, be like Freddie,
Be
just
like
work
Freddie.
on your own shit. Just be like, work on your
but
own
it's gonna
shit.
be the other way around. His wife fucking relies on him. Now I'm gonna rely on you, baby girl. Hell yeah.
¿Está bien, güey, la troquita?
Design's right. Oh, that's a tire size.
20, no? 22s. Perfect, man.
Yo, the paint is good. Digo, más aquí enfrente, güey, está. I guess from being in the sun. Oh, you know what? No, actually, no, güey.
That crusty over there, or what?
Oh, yeah, this one.
Ah, pero se quita, güey. Oh, es polish nomás. Eso sí, no, pues es las rocks.
I presume it's on a 5.8. Like a pinche.
Vamos a ver si va a prender. Nah, no va a prender. No va a prender, ¿verdad? No debería de. Que venga aprendiendo ahorita, güey.
That'd be crazy, bro.
Ah, no, hombre, nomás le faltaba un fusible.
A la vez.
Oh, I was like, damn, that was Van.
It's the.
Why is the battery down there?
It's not. It doesn't have a battery.
What?
It doesn't have a battery.
We're gonna do an episode, dude, of just Amber's truck questions.
Las mamás que dice Amber, güey.
A ver, ¿por qué tiene two alternators? Does it have one transmission or two
Why
transmissions?
doesn't it have a battery?
La, güey.
No.
No, hombre, bro. And y'all were making
You don't have fucking battery, bro. No mames.
And y'all were making fun of me?
No mames, my shit is dead.
¿Neta?
Yes. Fuck.
And he has one, totally.
Traes un jumper, güey.
Y ahí se lo agregas a la cuenta. Órale.
Chinga, está haciendo corto, qué vergas. Oh, pendejos, que lo estoy poniendo al pinche positive, güey.
Está pegando, güey.
No mames. Qué baboso, este es el positive, güey.
Chingada madre.
Industrial.
Perdón, güey, es que lo conecté mal, güey.
Ah, okay.
Le puse el positivo con el negativo, güey. Y eso que soy mecánico, güey. No mames, güey.
Fíjate cómo quedan las suspensiones. Vienen por un lift, no, hombre, te hice un drop.
Amber said they was full of shit that you can't do. You won't be able to make no turn.
What? The truck?
To clean brownies.
Hell yeah, dude. ¿Qué dice la raza?
I think it's on crack.
Hey, y'all gotta do the whole, like,
¿Cómo, güey?
fucking, West Coast Customs. When they bring them the car, they're like, no. no
fucking way.
Yeah.
No, isn't that
Yeah, you have to go back. A ver, we're gonna redo it. We're gonna do it. Dale.
Damn right.
Del Yonke.
Need more bow legging than my girl. Come on.
Y'all think we can finish it up in 3 days?
No wonder why he couldn't get it straight, dude. Estaba tomando el vato.
3 days and it'll be done.
Nah, I say 2.
Paint job, interior.
I'm the manager, I think we'll get it done in a day.
Swap motor, bag, all the way to the ground.
Leather interior.
No sé, pero aquí dicen que. A ver, a ver.
mira todo, no se mira, güey.
No se mira. Aquí dicen que los drops lo hacen in half a day.
No, hombre.
This one comes with a modern battery, dude. Como es hybrid.
Y él dice no shot. Él dice no shot both.
Nah, it's pretty damn good, dude.
The belt tech comes good.
¿Cómo la ven? ¿Está bueno o no? ¿Eh?
Not bad.
Pues ahí quedó la 4-door, a new project. Ahorita se la vamos a enseñar para que la vean, pero as I knew what's coming up for alpha suspension.
Nah, no podemos, güey.
Sino para hablarle a otro shop.
Se puede.
No sirve.
Trying to record and I was like, nah, bro, donde me descuide voy a chocar atrás de este güey.
Pick me up early from school then. I would have done with y'all.
Nah, you need education.
Should've
Education,
did.
¿qué, güey?
Education, bro.
So you can do 1 + 1 = 2.
So,
11 plus 11 is...
what year is this, dude? It's like an 03, no? 03? 03, 53, some 22s SS,
It should be like an 05.
wheels. The notch is all fucked up. I know you're sorry, right?
I think it's a 6.
6?
Yeah, it's a 12-6, I think.
I'll be badass if it's 6. Because I think this one will come with yeah, I think so, because se ve como que ya viene con los electric fans, mira.
Sí. Sí, ya lo tiene, it's a 6.
That's gonna be a good motor. It's like the motor I have.
Que es a 5.3?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Ah, thank you.
Tú, por prestársela, por prestársela, culero. Shorty for just being shorty.
Hey, for your knee, shorty.
That's some motherfucking rap guys.
¿Es charge?
Hay que ver que prenda todavía.
Que prenda, güey.
Ahí está. Pues ahí prendió. Sí prendió la 4-door. Now viene shot. Bueno, Rosa. Ahí quedó por hoy. Porque estoy anda cansado, pero ya. No he hecho nada, pero ya anda cansado el güey. Y dijo, pues ahí estamos.